Magnitude 6.5 earthquake strikes Fiji Islands. A 6.5 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Fiji this morning, the U.S. Geological Survey says. The shake occurred just before 9:30 am and was centered 42 kilometers east-northeast of Fiji's Ndoi Island, and 423 kilometers southeast of the capital Suva and 336 kilometers west-northwest of Tonga's capital Nuku'alofa. The quake struck at a depth of 349 miles. No tsunami warning has been issued. Deeper quakes are less noticeable, while a shallow quake in the 0 to 40 mile depth range can feel much stronger than their actual reported magnitude. Quakes just below the Earth's surface, in the 0 to 10 miles range, can cause even more damage at lower magnitudes. Earthquakes of this magnitude are not at all unusual in that part of the world, and it was very, very deep, so it's something unlikely to have any impact on the surface, a gas spokesman told AP.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.